We're going to walk you through a little bit of iPad maintenance. First thing we're going to talk about is how to update your iPad iOS. You should all be at 13.4.1. When you're looking to update your iOS and you want to take your screenshot, you must show your iOS on the right and your name on the left. Settings, General, Software Update. Scroll back on the left, take a screenshot. Your name should be on the left and your iOS should be on the right. You should also have a school managed Apple ID. That should show first dot last name at appleid.district196.org. If you do not show appleid.district196.org, you do not have a valid Apple ID. Settings, tap your name on the left. You should look at your Apple ID on the right. Take a screenshot. Again, your name should show up on the left and your correct Apple ID on the right. So you should submit 2 screenshots onto Schoology. If you do not have a school managed Apple ID, you must complete the Google survey.